Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display content, any container or feature image or background image in event page in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor plugin. So this is our header. So this is our default event page. So we are using URL event. So we are going to display container on this page by using plugin. Now go to header section. So we are in Elementor header. So this section we created. Now you see event. So we are going to display this section on event page only, event URL. So we are using default event. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to Elementor header and then refresh the page. So after that you see visibility icon. Now you see we are in edit container. So click on visibility and then you see dynamic visibility. Enable this option and then you see keep HTML. Enable this. So display mode. Now you see show white. So we select show. And then you see trigger event. Now click on it. You see multiple events. So we select event. So we are going to display this container on event page only. So click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page. So this is our default event URL. Now refresh the page. And then you see container show on event page. Now open another page. But you don't see that container on this page, because we set and displayed that container on event page like this by using plugin. Now you see specific container display on event URL only. Now you see we are using default event URL. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.